Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning I wish to everyone who is watching. My name is Aiman Ramli, and today I want to present to you my group project SEMM 3253 Mechatronics under lecturer Dr. Mazia. I'm from Group A, Smart Environment. So our group responsible in creating mechatronics project that support environment. And in my opinion, our choices for environment is one of the digitalization initiative that we want to bring on board in terms of protecting our nature. So here, I want to introduce to you our group members. All of us has our own initiative to protect the environment based on the project we develop on. So next, I will show to you guys what is my project all about. So my project is smart liquid level monitoring, but I call it also smart tank. So my objectives here is I want to help people or user in monitoring that smart tank so that the user can even use the smart tank even he or she is outside of the area of the smart tank. So the user only need to connect to Wi-Fi and he or she can control the smart tank from outside of the area. Okay. The next objectives is I want to develop this smart tank to be data friendly. So that's mean this project can collect data from what smart tank output read for. Okay, so eventually the user can analyze the data and make a report based on it. Okay, so what are the features for this smart tank? We will watch these videos first. Okay. Okay, lastly, I want to thank to Dr. Mazia for supervising us in doing this project, and not to forget my group members from Mr. Azhar, Mr. Fahmi, Mr. Hanafi, and also Mr. Uqba, who always supporting each of us in finishing this project. So here are some of the moments we did meeting to complete this project. So this is all for you.